inkomo ngaphaya khona ngaphaya yabona ngale ndawo esuke kufanele kuthiwa ngawo yawo ngelithi lendawo nomoya lithi khona. So we are here now in the jungle as Mountain Queen Agriculture. We are doing a research on the nature, see the natural soils, natural biomes, most This is one of our machines, as you can see for yourself. This one, many years ago, this was a lake, but now as you can see, little water coming. But that side of little water is a sign of lot of development that can happen. But yeah, even in that development, it will need more research as we are doing, trying to find out that these soils can be used for agriculture and finding ways to take the soil that we use in that side and replacing it here to replenish its nutrients. So we will keep updating you on our further updates on Mountain Queen Agriculture to research more on organic foods. Yeah.